There are still so many questions about the suspected shooter.
And 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala is at the downtown courthouse with court documents that detail a criminal history.
There were some criminal and some mental health cases in the name of the man we believe is the suspected shooter. I was able to get my hands on this criminal case from last year that does outline some violent behavior. In the court documents that we obtained, the man believed to be the suspect in the officer-involved shooting was charged with assault with force likely to cause great bodily injury, a felony count of making criminal threats, and 2 counts of battery and assault. This is from an incident involving neighbors back in 2017. The documents detail an altercation in a hallway where the suspect was agitated. Documents show this was after a visit from a PERT team, where he and a female neighbor got into a fight. Part of the trial brief says, quote, "She then fell to the ground and the defendant grabbed her hair and repeatedly slammed her head into the ground while sitting atop of her and telling her he was going to kill her," end quote. 2 other neighbors were also involved in that fight. A jury found him guilty of assault and battery, but not guilty on the rest of the charges. He did have a restraining order granted against him last year involving the same woman in this case. Now, a different former neighbor tells us she had to move away because of his behavior and the nonstop calls to police. Now, police have not officially released the name of the suspected shooter. Of course, this is something we will keep an eye on, continue to follow, and update you with as we learn new information throughout the day. Reporting downtown, Mimi Alcala, 10 News.